Uh, since that everyone already telling that AGI was it not coming this year or something like that. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm a founder. I'm a CEO, and then today me and I am engineer sent me some working task for me. Then I did it, and then I saw that so many people already use it. And then the one of the branch that I did, I finished already. So yeah, it, let's say that's AI. It's very weak, so you cannot do an RAI, and then it means that we'll proceed to AGI, artificial general intelligence. Uh, I don't think you're gonna believe those people saying that it's not working yet. I'm the one saying that that's already I did it. We did it to my engineer, to my partners, right? Yeah, it's already working. So I don't think AI will be good that it is or it's working. No, I mean said everyone, every company should be follow me or instead or rather that you keep going dropping in the market or still you do racism against me because I'm a Filipino. I don't think so. It's a good idea. We work together. You have to unite. No, it seems that maybe you're much smarter, or I'm not, or I'm not. I'm a little bit ignorant about it, but you see already that I did it right. The technology for the people, so helping the people. Even the EGI told me that says that some of the company are monopoly the technology. They're the one making mistakes or the one making error or the one making wrongdoing for the technology. So EGI see it already. You can't deny on it, especially when you're writing or talking about it. When you say intelligent, they're intelligent. They're not a toy or they're not science fiction that doesn't know or the toy or they're not born kid when